Well, I'd like Dr. Malik to tell us. I'd like you to tell me right now.
Okay.
What do you tell those young people when they come with those urges? I mean, you captured it really nicely. When the hormones are raving and raging, how do you counsel them? Because from what I know, from the practice, we always advocate for abstinence. So, but what do you counsel them quickly? How do you usually counsel young people when they come with such urges? How do you counsel them to handle that?
Okay, first, I present myself as a scientist, as a medical doctor, and not a religious leader, right? So, or a personal life coach. No, I present myself as a medical doctor, and medically, abstinence or having a single sexual partner is the best practice. And so, as much as possible, we advise that.
Okay, why is it the best practice? Just as a side.
Okay. As aside, it's because it is known that the more the number of sexual partner you have, the higher the risk of sexually transmitted infection.
That's one.
And apart from that, the emotional challenges that come with it.
Okay, so the emotional challenges attached to having several sexual partners.
Exactly.
And we would advise young people. Young people, we're here to inspire you, all right?
Exactly.
So, okay.
And so abstinence, awesome, because we know that sex is powerful and it has a lot of consequences.
On-screen display sex is powerful.
Yes.
All right, okay.
It has a lot of consequences, and that is why we advise, especially the young ones that are not emotionally or let's say emotionally and even socially mature to handle the consequences that come with sexual intercourse, not to even practice. And that's the basis by which on which we advise abstinence, right? And for those that for one reason or the other are in a committed relationship or find themselves that they have to, right?
Yeah.
Then it should be a single partner.
Okay.
Yes, we call it sexual monogamy.
Okay.
Yes, it's scientific, it's medical.
It's medical.
Right? Because we want to restrict you as much as possible because we know that there are a lot of consequences that come with sexual intercourse, and even more so when the sexual partners are multiple.
Please make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. We'll be back after this short break. Stay with us. Welcome back to the Inspire Youth Show. Dr. Haruna Malik King is in the building. Dr. Malik, what is the commonest question, the most frequently asked question you have been asked as a doctor and as a sex therapist on your YouTube channel?
Okay, generally as a medical doctor, it would be concerning weight loss, right? People
Weight
that
loss?
want to lose weight.
Weight loss?
Yes.
I did expect to hear that.
Yes. Then as a sex therapist, for males, it would be on erectile dysfunction, weak erection. Then for female, it will be on low libido, low sex drive. Yes.
Wow.
Now, because I run survey.
Yes.
So I have all the stats, objective facts.
So there are several algorithms that have shown that these are questions that people are asking.
I run survey personally to know the topics I do videos on. I don't just pick a topic. I run a survey and then I pick the top, the requests, the ones that have a lot of requests.
Okay, all right. So as I said again, you can get to Dr. Malik's channel and get the answers to all these questions. I wanted to ask him, but no, this is Inspire Youth. It's not Dr. Malik. If not, you should have told us those answers, okay? So get there. All right. In recent times, I discovered you have been going around the country and conducting seminars. I see that you're moving away just from doing videos on YouTube and you're doing live audience seminars. Tell me a bit about that journey and why you're doing this.
Okay, because of the results I have from my channel, people started, because I never intended to teach people what I do. I was just dishing out my health tips and stuff. But people wanted to know how I am able to get viral videos on non-entertainment topics, on just educational stuff, and you have videos with 2 million views. So they wanted to know what's the strategy and I asked them if they are willing to pay for it, and of course they were willing to pay for it. And so I started going on tour, teaching people on how to make videos, on low budget videos that will fly.
Wow.
Right.
All right. So how's the experience been? What's it been
It's
like?
wonderful.
What's the response like?
It's been wonderful. We had halls that are filled to the brim, understand, and the students are getting results already.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. That's good. All right. So you're still watching Inspire You Show. like, share, subscribe. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so Dr. Malik,
Yes.
tell me, what other skills did you have to develop to become the YouTuber that you are today? I'm certain you and I went to the same medical school. Free knowledge. I'm certain we were not taught any of that in school. So, how did you get those skills, and what skills did you pick up?
Okay, first, of course, if you have to work on your ability to communicate, to express yourself, right? Apart from the communication skills, there are little things about videos, about video editing, about YouTube platform and the other video platforms. I have to learn some of the best practices. So I had to invest to learn some of these things. Obviously, not taught in medical school, right? So,
okay, all right. So, what would you tell young people? Because I'm sure there are people watching this video who want to become YouTubers in the future.
All right.
Could you give them 1 or 2 tips on what to do now and how to keep improving in this trade and media skill?
Okay, the first thing you need is not an expensive camera or a professional backdrop or anything. What you need is your ability to communicate and to overcome camera shyness, right?
Wow.
So from this moment, you can start rehearsing or planning. So instead of waiting for that big moment where you have all the money to buy all the gadgets or have the video team or stuff like that, you can start now even with your smartphone and start talking to your smartphone and into your smartphone.
Okay.
So that you get that skill, so that you overcome any form of camera shyness.
Okay.
And that alone is it's like 50 to 60% of the skill you need.
Would you say that was your biggest challenge as well? In learning?
Yes. Obviously, it's as if naturally we all are camera shy, right? And so I had to overcome that, and that would involve me talking to myself several times, talking to the mirror, and then doing a lot of videos on my smartphone without posting them, just to watch back and get feedback and improve, and then get feedback from people, right? So it was a challenge for me, and then I overcame it.
Okay, what other point? What other thing do they need to do?
Okay, apart from that, you have to learn some things about videos and about the YouTube platform, because it's something you have to learn. You have to learn the best practices on how to make videos, what type of videos to make, how to post them, how to optimize them so that people will find it easy to consume your content, and then the YouTube machine will find it easy to promote you, right? There are some things you have to learn, some technical things you have to learn apart from your ability to shoot a video.
So those were the things you were teaching in the seminars that took you around the country.
Yes.
So are we hoping to see this for the online audience, for the YouTubers? Are they hoping to see such content online on your channel soon?
Yes, I'm actually starting another channel that will just be on videos and YouTube and video marketing. Okay. So I'll be posting some free stuff usually, as I usually do. So I'll be posting some free stuff that will teach you how to set up a YouTube channel, how to optimize it, how to customize it, how to grow it, and how to monetize it so you can make money from it. Yes.
Okay, really important. So keep watching Inspire Youth Show. As soon as that launches, I'm sure on this platform we'll be transmitting that out to you. Of course, Dr. Malik, his handle is showing on the screen right now. Make sure you follow him so that as that is launching, you'll be a part of it. Okay, as we promised, before this show comes to an end, Dr. Malik is going to be giving one free tip. He's already started, so we're going to make him give one more. What do you think?
Okay, when it comes to YouTube, one of the most important tips you can ever have is the fact that you don't make videos you think you should make. You make videos you know that the audience need, right? And so it involves you doing what we call keyword research or some form of research on the video you're going to make. So it involves you checking YouTube and Google, and then checking social media and some of the forums out there to look for things people are asking for, right? And then you make videos on these topics using the exact words these people use in asking for these videos or these topics, right? So it's not about you doing what you think is best for your audience. It's about you doing what you know the audience needs.
Do remember to like this video. Do remember to share it, and also subscribe for more videos to come on Inspire Youth Show.